If you don't have feet, is there a point to you wearing socks?
No.
If you don't have hands, is there a point to you wearing gloves? Then why do you wear a bra?
Damn! Oh! Oh! Oh!
I had it all together, but I was led astray. The day you walked away, you were the clock that was ticking in my home. Changed my state of mind.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Love so hard to find.
we got him.
Pull me out, pull me out, pull me out.
People say love is the best feeling. I think finding a toilet when you have diarrhea is much better.